How to set up Silhouette Cameo for. Step 1. Check the necessary items in the box. Step 2. Remove all kinds of packaging from Cameo 4. Step 3. Plug the power cord into the outlet and the machine. Step 4. Press the power button on the right-hand side of the machine. Step 5. Go to the official Silhouette setup page to register your machine. Step 6. Click on Create Account. Step 7. Fill in the required details, create a password and click Create an account. Step 8. Once you've successfully signed up, click the link to sign in. Step 9. Sign in with the registered email address and password. Step 10. Go to the Software tab, then select Desktop Software. Step 11. Click on the Machine Setup button. Step 12. Select the language and click Continue. Step 13. Enter your address information and click Continue. Step 14. Fill in the serial number and other information and click Continue. Step 15. When it detects your machine, click Register My Machine. Step 16. Click Continue to Next Step. Step 17. It'll take you to the setup page and walk you through the basic setup instructions in Step 1. Step 18. Go to the Step 2 tab and select the download link according to your computer type. Step 19. If you are downloading on Mac, click Allow in the prompt to download. Step 20. Once the download is complete, drag the Silhouette Studio icon to the Applications folder to start copying. Step 21. Open the Silhouette Studio application and press OK to provide the administrator password. Step 22. Enter the password and click OK. Step 23. Click Install. Step 24. If prompted, enter your Mac's password again and click on OK. Step 25. Review the user license agreement and click I agree. Step 26. After installing Silhouette Studio, connect the machine to your computer/laptop with the USB cable. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.